Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're covering how to set up a joint investment account in ETRADE, a trusted platform for managing investments collaboratively. If you're looking to invest together with a partner, family member, or friend, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive in. Log in or create an ETRADE account. Visit the ETRADE website or app and log into your existing account. If you're new to ETRADE, sign up and complete the registration process, including verifying your identity. Select Joint Account as the account type. During the account setup process, choose Joint Account from the list of available account types. You'll see options like Joint Tenants with Rights of Survivorship or Tenants in Common. Select the one that aligns with your needs. Add a co-account holder. Provide the personal details of the co-account holder, including their full name, social security number, SSN, and contact information. Both parties will need to agree to the account terms. Verify identification. Both account holders may need to upload identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify their identities. Ensure the information matches what you provided during registration. Link a bank account. Connect a joint or individual bank account for funding. This will enable you to deposit money into your joint ETRADE account easily. Fund your account. Once the bank account is linked, transfer funds into your joint investment account. ETRADE supports one-time deposits, recurring transfers, or rollovers from other accounts. Choose your investments. With your joint account funded, explore the platform to invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or other securities. Be sure to discuss investment strategies with your co-account holder to ensure alignment. Set account permissions. Define how each account holder can access and manage the account. ETRADE allows you to customize permissions, such as trading capabilities or account withdrawals, for added flexibility. Monitor and manage your investments together. Use ETRADE's tools to track your joint portfolio's performance, set goals, and adjust your investments as needed. Both account holders can stay informed through shared access. Setting up a joint investment account in ETRADE is a straightforward way to manage finances collaboratively while taking advantage of the platform's powerful features. Have you considered opening a joint account with ETRADE? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.